Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If one is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both angles still remain supplementary? Here we know that supplement means angle 1 plus angle 2 should be equal to 180 degree. Let us suppose this angle is 120 degree and this angle is 160 degree, only 60 degree. Therefore, if we add angle 1 plus angle 2, that is angle 1, that is angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 is 120 degree plus angle 2 is 60 degree and that comes to 180 degree. Suppose we decrease this angle to 100. Suppose we decrease this angle as 100 and 20 degree less, 100 degree. That means you have to increase this angle by 20 degree, that is 60 plus 20, 80 degree. Only then it will be supplementary angles, right? If we decrease angle 1 of measure of 20 degree, then we have to increase angle 2 by 20 degree, right? Therefore, you can say that if angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 will increase with the same measure so that both the angles still remain supplementary. Therefore, you can say that if angle 1 is decreased, angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 should increase with the same measure, with the same measure of angle so that both the angles still remain supplementary, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.